I've earned over $1 million on Upwork over the past 10 years, and yes, it's possible. I'm here to show you exactly how to make it happen. From struggling to get noticed to becoming a top-rated freelancer, my journey has been anything but ordinary. Despite being 85% deaf, I turned those obstacles into opportunities, creating a flourishing freelance business that surpasses $1 million in earnings. Whether you are getting started or you have been freelancing for a while, your Upwork profile could be the missing link to higher paying projects and better opportunities. In this video, we are going to dive into the right way to optimize your Upwork profile to help you stand out in a crowded marketplace. We're talking about more than just a catchy title or a nice profile picture. It's about strategic adjustments that bring you the project that you deserve. And no, I'm not talking about overstuffing your profile with keywords. It's about smart, targeted action that you can apply right now. And by the way, if you are looking for free resources to help you level up your profile, make sure you visit the link in the description in the pinned comment. And trust me, you don't want to miss that. Why optimization your Upwork profile matters. Here's the deal. The competition on Upwork is fierce, whether you are a newbie or a seasoned pro. If your profile does not speak to the right people, you will stay invisible. And that means missing out on potential high-paying projects that are just waiting for the right freelancer to show up. Upwork algorithm plays a massive role in getting you noticed by the right client. And trust me, this isn't just for beginners. If you're not optimizing your profile, you're leaving money on the table. Freelancers with optimized profiles earn up to 5 times more than those with lackluster ones. Better profile, more visibility, more money in your pocket. The basics of Upwork algorithm. So how does it work? Upwork algorithm matches freelancers with the client based on keywords and your job success score, JSS. Here's how you can make it work for you. Keywords. Keywords are your golden ticket. Make sure that you are using relevant keywords that align with the services you provide. For example, if you're a writer, terms like content marketing and SEO, copywriting, should be sprinkled across your profile, but don't overdo it. Job success score JSS. This is a direct reflection of your performance. Think of it as your reputation on Upwork. A high JSS means that you are trustworthy and capable. Keep it above 90 and clients will be more likely to hire you. But it's not just about keeping it high. It's about proving that you are reliable, responsible, and deliver great work consistently. Proven techniques to optimize your Upwork profile. Okay, let's talk about how. Here are my top tips for taking your Upwork profile from average to top rated plus level. Number 1, your title. Make it specific and keyword rich. This is the first thing clients will see when they check out your profile, so make it count. Your title should be clear, concise, and packed with relevant keywords. For example, instead of freelancer, try something like SEO expert, content marketing specialist, and web traffic growth. Stay away from generic titles. Clients won't be drawn into something like 29 Florida male. Yes, I've seen that before. Your title is your first impression, so make sure it's solid. Number 2, write a client-centric profile overview. Your overview is your chance to shine. This is where you get to show your personality and what makes you unique. Don't just say you're a freelancer. Tell your clients how you can help them. What problems do you solve? Have you made an impact on past projects? For example, instead of saying, I am a writer, say something like, I have helped brands increase their website traffic by 200% with content strategies that engage audiences and drive results. Number 3, optimize your skills section. Make sure you list all relevant skills and don't be afraid to get specific. If you are a social media marketer, list specific specific platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Be detailed and include your certifications if you have them. Pro tip: use keyword research tool to see what keywords top freelancers in your niche are using and include those in your skills section. Number 4, portfolio. Show off your best work. Your portfolio is your proof that you can deliver. Add high quality images, videos, and links to live projects that show exactly what you've done. Think of it as your personal gallery. Show clients the best of your work. Number 5, request and display testimonials. When clients vouch for you, it builds credibility and trust. After each project, ask your client to leave you a testimony. Even if you are new on Upwork, you can ask past clients from other platforms for testimonials. Clients are more likely to hire someone with positive reviews. Number 6, set a competitive rate. Setting your rate can be tricky, but here's the key. Do your research. Look at what others in your niche are charging and price yourself accordingly. But remember, your rate should reflect your experience and the value you bring to the table. Number 7, stay active and consistent. Upwork rewards active freelancers. Update your profile regularly, apply for relevant jobs, and engage with clients. The more active you are, the more likely you are going to show up in the client searches. Bonus tip: stay updated and keep learning. Freelancing is always evolving. Make sure that you're continually improving your skills, adding new certifications, and keeping up with the industry trends. If you are interested in getting more out of your Upwork profile, check out the free resources linked below to give you the edge. Optimizing your Upwork profile is not a one-time task, it's ongoing effort. It's about consistently showcasing your skills, refining your strategy, and proving to the client that you are the freelancer they need. With the right tweaks, you can stand out in the crowded Upwork marketplace, attract high-paying clients, and start earning what you truly deserve. And don't forget, I put together some free resources to help you level up your profile, available in the link below. If you are ready to take your Upwork profile to the next level, it's time to act. Get your profile optimized and start seeing results. For free resources, check the link in the description and pinned comment below. If you have found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on freelancing success. Until next time, be freelantastic.